Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cornbread stuffing. First, ensure your cornbread is a day old. This prevents a mushy stuffing. Crumble it into small, consistent pieces, about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. Then, spread the crumbles on a baking sheet and toast them in a 300-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 15 minutes until slightly dry and golden. This step is crucial for a firm, flavorful stuffing. Next, melt 4 tablespoons of butter in a large skillet. Add 1 cup of finely diced yellow onion and 1 cup of diced celery, cooking until they are tender, about 8 to 10 minutes. Stir in 2 teaspoons of fresh sage and 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme. Transfer this aromatic mixture to a large bowl with your toasted cornbread. Gradually pour in 2 to 3 cups of warm chicken or vegetable broth, mixing gently until just moistened. Now, it's time to season your stuffing. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of cayenne for a subtle kick. Taste and adjust as needed. Gently transfer the seasoned mixture into a 9 by 13-inch greased baking dish. Cover it with foil and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Then, remove the foil and bake for another 15 to 20 minutes until the top is beautifully golden brown. Once baked, allow your delicious cornbread stuffing to rest for about 10 minutes before serving. This helps it set and makes it easier to scoop. Garnish with some freshly chopped parsley for a pop of color and freshness. It's perfect as a side dish for any meal. Also, for those looking to improve their financial journey, check the description for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade stuffing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.